Beneath the shimmering waters of the Aegean lies one of history's most formidable geological time bombs, Santorini. More than 3,600 years ago, this volcanic giant unleashed an eruption so powerful that it wiped out entire civilizations and sent shockwaves across the ancient world. Yet, hidden deep within its fiery core, another mystery remains. Could this sleeping giant be awakening once more, setting the stage for another cataclysmic event? Scientists are now uncovering evidence that challenges everything we thought we knew about Santorini's turbulent past and its uncertain future. A volcanic legacy millions of years in the making. Santorini's origins lie deep beneath the Mediterranean, where immense geological forces have been shaping the land for millions of years. The relentless collision of the African plate with the smaller Aegean microplate set in motion a series of events that led to the birth of one of the world's most dramatic volcanic landscapes. As the denser African plate was forced beneath its lighter counterpart, immense pressure built up, pushing molten rock toward the surface and forming vast underground magma reservoirs. Over hundreds of thousands of years, repeated eruptions layered the seabed with lava, ash, and pumice, gradually shaping the jagged archipelago we see today, a living testament to the Earth's raw power. Recent high-resolution seismic scans reveal that Santorini's present-day caldera, a vast, sunken crater stretching 12 kilometers across, was not created by a single catastrophic event, but rather by a cycle of eruptions, collapses, and rebirths. In its early stages, small volcanic islands emerged from the sea, each with distinct geochemical composition. Radiometric dating suggests this process may have begun as far back as 500,000 years ago. Over time, injections of magma and tectonic stress transformed these scattered vents into the towering multi-layered structure that defines Santorini today, the Great Minoan Eruption. Among the most devastating events in Santorini's history was the eruption of around 1600 BC, one so violent that it reshaped both the landscape and human civilization. Known as a Minoan eruption, it was an apocalyptic disaster of staggering proportions. Though ancient records of its destruction survive only in myths and legends, modern analysis reveals its massive scale. Scientists estimate that between 30 and 60 cubic kilometers of magma were ejected in just a few days. The eruption sent towering columns of ash into the sky, turning day into night, while massive tsunamis crashed into nearby coastlines, devastating the thriving Minoan civilization on Crete. A volcano within a volcano. The idea that Santorini harbors an even deeper volcanic mystery is not new, but recent studies are reshaping our understanding of its hidden magma systems. Research suggests that the catastrophic collapses that formed the caldera were triggered by a combination of internal magma withdrawal, structural weaknesses in the caldera walls, and even distant tectonic forces. Is Santorini awakening? In recent weeks, seismic tremors beneath Santorini's caldera have intensified, sparking renewed scrutiny of its current state. Cutting-edge monitoring equipment, including seismic arrays, underwater sensors, and satellite imaging, has detected subtle shifts in ground deformation and increased hydrothermal activity, signaling that the volcano remains active. The latest findings, incorporating satellite imagery and geodetic measurements, reveal notable ground inflation beneath the caldera. This development is especially concerning when compared to the seismic activity recorded between 2011 and 2012. At that time, a surge of earthquakes was linked to magma movement beneath the island, though no eruption occurred. However, the current seismic swarm is far stronger and concentrated northeast of Santorini. A rising threat? Historical data shows that caldera-forming volcanic systems undergo cycles of unrest, marked by increased seismic activity and land deformation. Over the past 2 decades, satellite monitoring has provided invaluable insights into these patterns. A comparison of past and present data suggests that while the 2011-2012 unrest centered within the caldera, the latest readings from 2024 indicate that the inflation center has shifted. One of the most critical observations comes from the SU monitoring station, which recorded an elevation increase from 6 centimeters in early 2024 to 10 centimeters in 2025, a total rise of 4 centimeters. Other stations have detected minor uplift, while areas farther from the activity center show little change. Satellite imagery supports these findings, painting a clear picture of ongoing ground movement. Longitudinal tracking from 2022 to 2025 confirms that land deformation is an ongoing process, reinforcing the need for constant monitoring. The seismic connection. The latest seismic and geodetic readings suggest that activity beneath Santorini is intensifying. As of February 8th, a powerful earthquake swarm has emerged, including 3 magnitude 5.0 tremors in just a few hours, followed by multiple quakes ranging from 4.8 to 4.9. This surge follows an earlier period of heightened seismicity in late January. Scientists have also noted a deflationary trend beginning on January 20th, followed by rapid north-northeastward displacement detected on January 29th, which continues to present. Ground deformation measurements show a clear upward trajectory, indicating that magma movement beneath the caldera remains a critical factor. The 1956 parallel, a warning from the past? Santorini's volcanic activity bears striking similarities to events that preceded the 1956 earthquake, a magnitude 7.7 quake followed by a 6.9 aftershock. That disaster triggered a devastating tsunami. The current seismic patterns, occurring in the same region, are raising concerns that another major event could be looming. Moreover, the presence of active volcanic structures in close proximity to the earthquake zone adds another layer of uncertainty. High-resolution satellite imagery from the European Space Agency Sentinel. One mission has been crucial in tracking these changes, confirming ongoing uplift and horizontal displacement of the caldera, a future of uncertainty. Santorini's volcanic system remains highly dynamic. While there is no immediate sign of an eruption, the shifting patterns of seismicity and land deformation demand constant vigilance. The data suggests that magma continues to build beneath the island, reinforcing potential for future activity. The evolving situation underscores a need for continuous scientific monitoring and international cooperation. The question remains, is Santorini on the verge of another catastrophic eruption, or are we merely witnessing natural fluctuations in its volcanic cycle? If you found this deep dive fascinating, be sure to hit like, subscribe for more explorations into Earth's greatest mysteries, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What are your thoughts on Santorini's past and future? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your theories. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, some of the most incredible truths lie just beneath the surface. See you in the next video.